So in this video, we are going to talk about how you can grow your YouTube channel. Now, the first question that you will be asking me is that, do you have much subscribers to talk about this topic? But I am going to tell you the truth today that you don't need subscribers, you need views, you need engagement, and you need engagement with the audience. And once you are engaging with the audience and you are replying to the comments and also solving the queries of the viewers and also engaging with them through the videos that you post on YouTube or upload on YouTube, those are the moments, those are the things that will gain subscribers for you, that will gain watch time for you, that will gain views for you. Now, which is the most important thing as a YouTuber? Now, the most important thing as a YouTuber, I think personally, is engagement is the number one thing that you need. Number two thing that you need is the views that you get from the viewers, and also how YouTube will promote your video. It's all up to YouTube. It's not up to you. You have to make a good content, original content. That is the reason why I always keep my videos very straightforward. Number one. Number two, I don't talk rubbish on videos. You have seen my videos. Those who have watched my videos, subscribed to my channel, knows that this guy doesn't talk rubbish on his videos, because I've seen many YouTubers talking rubbish on their videos, but I always talk straightforward and to the point things, because I do not promote anything on my YouTube channel. I keep it very original for you all to love this channel and also be associated with this particular channel. Now, the thing is that once you create a YouTube channel, you always think that what to do next, so you always run out of topics. So I always suggest you to research any kind of topics, and before posting videos, you should always research about different topics, and also you should learn about them first, and secondly, then you need to execute your plans, and then post a video, record a video, and then post a video. And after that, you will certainly get the success once you get the opportunity. YouTube algorithm, many YouTubers talk about the algorithm, but there is patterns of the algorithm. You have to understand the science behind the algorithm. It's not so straightforward. YouTube algorithm is always changing. You have to keep yourself up to date with the YouTube algorithm. Now, the thing is that nobody gets deep inside the algorithm. They always tell you the surface things that are coming with the updates. And to be honest, everyone nowadays, those who are YouTubers, always try to make YouTube videos to earn money, but I don't know why they are not spreading genuine knowledge. Like 10, 12 years or 15 years ago, people used to post videos on YouTube just for fun. So do it just for fun. Don't make it a business, or don't take it to a position where you will be earning from YouTube videos. It's not about that. It's about spreading the knowledge with the world, and also expressing yourself with the world as well. In front of the audience, you are expressing yourself and also performing, trying to perform, or also performing to your best abilities, your own abilities, by which you can certainly make some improvements with your communication skills, because communication skills are really important as far as YouTube is concerned. Whether you are communicating in Spanish, Japanese, Chinese, English, Bengali, Marathi, any kind of language you are communicating with, communicate in a good manner. Okay, these are the things that are really important on a YouTube video, and people always try to get motivated as far as YouTube videos are concerned. They watch videos to get motivated, to learn something. And I have also mentioned in one of my videos, you can check out in the channel pages. I'm not linking anything in the description below, and I would suggest you to visit my channel and see that video, that why should you reject YouTube Shorts. I've explained over there that why should you reject YouTube Shorts, because I have always said that you won't be learning anything from a 1-minute video. You are here to watch a video of full length, 3 minutes, 4 minutes, 5 minutes. No matter what the length of the video is, you always see the title of the video and see the thumbnail of the video, and after that you click on that video, and after that you visit that particular channel and see the other videos as well, if you liked that particular video on which you clicked. Alright, so now the thing is that we should concentrate on making good content for our audience, because making good content is always really important. because once you stop making good content, that is when things really get rough. So without any further ado, please subscribe to the channel and also give a like on this video. Your one like and one subscription is a huge motivation for us, and to bring more and more contents for you related to YouTube, technology, computer tips, computer tricks and computer tutorials, and overall computer and technology knowledge and education. Please subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching this video. See you all again next time.